Hello, welcome to Bigfix Vault app, your one-stop app to manage all your home and office devices. To create your account, please fill in your personal details such as your name, your email ID, your mobile number, and the password that you require. And then once you have created your account, you can log in using the same credentials such as your email ID and the password. Once you have logged in into the app, you can choose from the various services provided. Once you have logged in into the Vault app, you can add all your device details by clicking on Add My Device. Suppose you want to add your mobile details, click on the mobile phone icon from Add Device bar and fill in the required details such as the device name, the brand, the model, along with the device image and the IMEI number of the mobile phone. And if you have extended warranty for your mobile phone, tick the I have an extended warranty box and fill in the policy details such as the policy company and the policy number. Then you can view all the devices that you have uploaded into the app on My Device page. The Vault app provides you with various services such as instant repair, warranty claim, insurance claim, and installation services. If you want to instantly repair your device, click on Instant Repair and choose from the different gadgets available. And once you have chosen the gadget that you want to repair, choose from the different plans that is available for your device, such as repair, virus installation software, or even doorstep device diagnostic, which is available only for ₹99, whereas skilled technicians assist the device at your location and offer transparent repair estimates for you through the site. Click on the plan that you require, press on Book Now. You'll be led to a confirmation page. Choose Pay Now to proceed with the payment. You'll be directed to the payment page where you're required to fill in your bank details or UPI ID, then verify and pay to complete the payment. Once the payment is done, you'll be redirected to My Orders app where you can view your orders and also download the invoices of the same. Dashboard page and click on Insurance Claim option. Bigfix has partnered up with all insurance companies to provide insurance for your devices. So if you want to claim insurance for your device, click on the Insurance Claim option and choose from the devices that are available. Once you have chosen the device that you want to claim insurance for, click on the various plans that are available and proceed with the payment. Click on the plan that you require, press on Book Now. You'll be led to a confirmation page. Choose Pay Now to proceed with the payment. You'll be directed to the payment page where you're required to fill in your bank details or UPI ID, then verify and pay to complete the payment. Once the payment is done, you'll be redirected to My Orders app where you can view your orders and also download the invoices of the same. The Vault app also provides you with various protection plans such as extended warranty, damage protection, and introducing a groundbreaking AMC protection plan for your device, a revolutionary initiative that sets new standards in safeguarding your investment. To claim AMC of your devices, the Bigfix Vault app provides you with an Infinity Protect plan, which you can select from the dashboard. In the plan, you can protect up to 10 devices, whether they are new or old, where 100% of the device price is covered. Fill in the prices of the devices and press on Book Now. You'll be led to a confirmation page, and after accepting the terms and conditions, press on Pay Now. You'll be led to a payment page where you can pay using your bank details and UPI ID. After verification, the payment will be completed and you'll be redirected to My Orders page where you can view your order and download the invoice of the same. On the dashboard, you can check your My Orders page where you can view your order and download the invoice of the same. On the dashboard, you can check all your orders under My Orders. If you want to check on repair orders, press on the same and you will be led to a page where all your repair devices will be visible. To search for a servicer in your area, click on Search Servicer and put in your PIN code to search for ASP, that is your Authorized Service Center, and GSP, that is your General Service Center near you. Thank you.